Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Box step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather information about your income, expenses, and debts. Open the Box app on your device. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting section. Select Create a new budget to start. Input your total monthly income into the designated field. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Add fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and loan payments. Now, input your variable expenses such as groceries and entertainment. Review your expenses to ensure they are accurate and complete. Adjust your expenses as needed to match your financial goals. Set specific financial goals within the app for savings or debt repayment. After setting goals, check the budgeting recommendations provided by Box. Utilize the charts and graphs to visualize your financial data. Analyze the visual aids to identify areas for improvement. Take note of any expenses that exceed your budget. Consider adjusting your spending habits to stay within budget. Regularly update your budget as your financial situation changes. Revisit the app weekly or monthly to track your progress. Lastly, celebrate your milestones and stay motivated on your budgeting journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.